we actually saw in this distance there was a offshore storm, and it was actually a better one than last time, because last time I saw an offshore storm, the lightning was very far away, and I didn't get to have the chance to film the development of it. Yeah, it's still going a bit, but that's all right. We'll probably end it there for now. Yeah, it was much better than last time. We got to see the offshore storm very clearly because it was on this site. But next storm will be the 7th of September, and that is a hot day. It's a 27-degree day, and it said there will be a chance of a thunderstorm in the evening or the afternoon, so I can't wait for that. But for now, I'm going to end it there for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next storm video will come whenever there will be a storm. But for now, thank you very much. Have a good night.